Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to your maths lesson. Couple of lessons ago we have started topic speed, and today we will proceed with the topic speed, in which we will explain that how to solve problems involving average speed. In real life solution, it is unlikely for an object to travel at the same speed throughout its journey. For that reason we are going to find out average speed. The average speed of an object is defined as the total distance traveled by the object per unit time, and hence we can conclude that average speed equal to total distance traveled by the total time taken. Let's solve an example from the book, page number 223. Priya set off from her home on a 70-kilometer journey to her friend's house. She traveled the first 40 kilometers of her journey at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour, and the remaining of an average speed of 60 km per hour. Calculate the average speed for her entire journey. Here, the whole journey is divided into two parts over where its speed were different. The total journey were of 70 km. The time is missing. If the speed is given into km per hour, then the time unit must be hour. First part of the journey is of 40 km and the second part of the journey is 30 km. In first part the speed was 40 km per hour, and then in the second part the speed was 60 km per hour. The time is missing for both. For that reason, do remember the triangle, that if the time is missing we will solve it as time equal to distance traveled over speed. So we will find out the time for first part and the second part. For first part, 40 over 40 means 1 hour taken, and for its second part, 30 divided by 60 means half hour taken. For average speed, the total journey was of 70 km, and we found time for both parts, that is 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour we can write it as, and hence we can conclude it 70 divided by 1.5, and the result is as 46.6 km per hour. You can see that a whole journey is divided into two parts where the speed were different in both portions. For the average speed, we have taken the total distance traveled over the total time taken, and then it is called average speed of the Priya's journey. Next question, question number 8 is solved for you from the exercise 9D. Here 2 points L and N are 160 apart. M lies on the straight line joining L and N. An object travels from L to M at an average speed of 10 meters per second in 6 seconds, and then from M to N at an average speed of 25 meters per second. Find the average speed of the object of its entire journey from L to N. The first point to be noticed is the unit of the distance and the time included. The distance is taken in meter, the time must be in seconds because the speed is given as meter per second. So you can see that if the distance is missing in the first part of the journey, how we can find it? We can find it as speed into time. So first part distance is 60 meters. As we know the whole journey distance, that is 160 meters. So the remaining distance is 100 meters. Next part is to find out the time. Time taken to travel from M to N, that is 100 by 25, 4 seconds. And hence we can find out the average speed, that is as 160 by total time taken, that is 6 plus 4 seconds. So 160 by 10 equal to 116 meters per second. And these examples can help you to solve question number 6, question number 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 9D. Hope you can enjoy and solve this question in a better way. Thank you.